of fishies down there. The turtle, Mr. Shark. I saw a stingray over there. A lot of fish here. Yeah. Okay, more fish over here. Maybe I should have gone snorkeling here. There's so many fish here. And there's looks like a big grouper or something right down there. I don't know, that one is there. I'm not sure I know what that is. I'm looking, maybe a grouper? I don't know. Yeah, all fish down here. Where's our boat? Sailboat is way out there. So, yeah. And even on this side, there's some more fish. Another guy over there. So, yeah. Kind of warm here, too. Kind of warm. But, yeah, we're going... place where we're going here. More fish in here. Yeah, a lot of them down here too. Looks like a puffer fish almost down there. I don't know, a lot of leaves. Over here it says, welcome to Graham's place. This is where we are here. Okay. Well, I have my neck fan on, so if you hear some motor running, that's probably my neck fan. But just going to walk around this little key here. That's C-A-Y, Key. And very humid, a little hazy out today too. Hazy. And just going to walk around here. They got everything raked up nice, so I'm leaving footprints in here. I hope they don't get mad at me. But keep my eye open for snakes and whatever here. Trying to work my way over into the shade. So we'll have to see. Yeah, we're going to go up here into the pathway here. And here's a little bit more shade. Although it's still hot here in the shade. I'm going to turn the neck fan down. There we go, it's quiet now. I'll live with the sweat for a little bit while I'm doing the video here. This is Graham's Harbor Key or something. Some guy bought it and turned it into like a mini resort. Whatever, very well maintained. Not crowded. Had a dock to land on. Different benches. Palms are moving, but it's just hot air here, hot air. So, yeah, let's see what we got up here. We got more beach up there. I'm gonna walk over here. I hope a coconut doesn't fall on my head, because it could get injured. And that'd be the end of M1Man Travel. Nobody wants to see that, because there's tons of people out there that want to subscribe that haven't yet. So, yeah, here's a nice place I can park. A little jetty there. You can walk out. Yeah, I'm gonna walk over here on the other side. Crossing over to the other side, just like in life. Cross over. Who knows? We may be in a simulation or in a black hole, and who knows what. Yeah, there we go. Nice little breeze at this end up here. Yeah. Coming up here, walking around. Nobody around up here. Very quiet. It's just the people that are staying here, and we just came in from the ship. There's supposed to be some snorkeling around here. I wish I would have known that, because, well, I did know it, but I didn't know if it was going to be good snorkeling or where you start, or they take you somewhere, another part. I don't know. They don't give you a lot of information here on the Sea Spirit, Sea Clad, like they do on a National Geographic Lindblad. They make sure every detail is covered before you go, so you know what to expect. Here it's just, well, I'm just going ashore, there's snorkeling and blah blah, that's it. You know, not as many details. All right, I'm going to give my hand a rest here while I walk some more, as you can see. Now just right here on the beach, it's all kind of different little pieces of coral. They're you know, mounds and tons of them on here. So yeah, I don't know how close I can get, but there's other pieces down here too. There's like this pink one, used to be pink I guess anymore, but yeah, all kinds of stuff here. There you go. I'm not going to walk down to the edge of the jetty, but I'm out here a little bit. There's our ship, the Sea Spirit. Here's where we came in up there. I walked all along here and then came and went down in the other area there. So, and you can see all the seagrass. I don't know if you can see it down in there. Don't see any fish right here, but lots of seagrass right here on both sides here too. Yeah. All right, let's walk back here. Back to shore here. I don't want to get stranded out here. Okay. I found a hammock here. I haven't fallen off yet. I'm kind of balanced here. And I don't know if I can swing here or not, but let's see if I can. There we go. Get a little bit of a swing going there. There it is. So yeah, down here in the old hammock. Not doing too bad here. Yeah, it looks like it's holding me up here. A nice little breeze. I'm over in the shade, over away from everybody else. Pretty nice hammock here. I think I'll just relax here for a while with M1 Man Travel here. M1 Man Travel has to take a rest every now and then, you know, and enjoy himself rather than going back and making vids for everyone out in the world there. And I'm way behind. I got trips from 2 trips prior to this. I'm still working on vids here, but I'm taking a break this summer and going to try to get caught up on things at home here. So a lot to get caught up on, and you know, I am only one man. I'm just one man. So all right, here's a little view of the surrounding areas here where I am. I'm still trying to get a little swing here. Let's see. Yeah, there we go, a little swing going. There we go. Although the stabilization may not even show the swing here. I don't know, but all right, that's enough. Oh, we got a cage here. We got some parrots. Hello? Hello? Do you talk? Do you say anything there, buddy? Hello? Hello, how are you? He's gonna walk away from me. All right. Do that, my friend. Sorry. I just want to get a better photo of you there, but you're not saying anything up there. No talking today? Probably want a cracker? Hello? How's your day been? Not bad. Not bad. It's been pretty good. Okay. Oh, he does talk, but no, I guess not. There's this other guy here. Looks like he's sleeping or something here. I don't know. He's right here. I don't know if you can see. It looks like he's dozing off here. So I'm not sure. Hello. Hello. How are you? How are you, my friend? You okay? Okay. I know you can't eat it, but you see reflection in there maybe. I got the screen turned off there, but yeah, he's looking like maybe I got a cracker there or something, but sorry, my friend. I don't have that there. No cracker in there. Yeah. He's looking at it. He's inquisitive. He likes M1 Man Travel there, that's for sure. So that's always good. We need more of that. Okay, let me get the other camera out. We got this guy up here, multicolor. It's like he's got his beak hanging on there. Yeah, hello. Hello, how are you? He's climbing up there. Yeah, I know. You think it's something to eat, but sorry, you can't eat the camera there, kiddo. I know you'd like it if it was an edible camera, an edible GoPro. That's what they should make. And you can see, but yeah, here he is. Let me get the other camera out. Do you speak? Hello? Hello? How are you? I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm doing pretty good. Okay, you're good. And now we can see all of you there, maybe. Yeah, almost all of you. Yeah. See down there, he goes way down there. He's up in there. There he goes. See if I can get a little closer. He's a pretty big boy. Going away from shore here.
Yeah.